And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? It's a little hot right now, man, but we're turning up out here. Yeah. Go on here, man. Let me let you feel a little. Okay, let me see what you got. Seat that's a little hot, but man, weather don't do you no justice. Ain't let you do it. Let me know what you're running here, man. Woo! 615 Skar ZVXs. Yes, sir. On 316Ks, a 180 amp hour battery back there, two 390 alternators. Got a lot in here. Yeah. That's why you do it. That's why you do it now. Let's see. No Skar sub, so.
Parental discretion is advised.
That thing cut up now. I don't know what they're talking about, man. That thing cut up. Yes, sir, man.
She do a little something.
Yeah, she do it. Yeah, no, nobody looks so she do it. Man, what you built the box and everything yourself?
My technician over there, he built that. That's a 4-throttle box.
Yeah, that's a 4-4 getting winded like that.
Huh?
That's a 4-4 getting winded like that.
Yeah.
He did a good job on that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Boy, do some real stuff, boy. I'm talking about, we built it where I can upgrade, where in case I want to swap out to a different sub.
It's gonna work.
I can, it's gonna work. Dropping now.
Oh, yeah.
At 16, I'm at 15.
Oh, you working your way down? Let them know where they can find you on social media anywhere you want.
Oh, man, I'm under Melvin Boyd, and my TikTok is Green Machine.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Man, appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir, bro. Anytime.
Yes, sir, man. Yeah, well, I'm going to have your video up on there.
Okay.
All right, man. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Anytime, bro. Anytime. 316Ks.
I didn't realize there was 16Ks.
You know how it's a minute. I ain't show you this too behind the seat, man. Get a good thing. I did this was something different from what other guys are doing. Nobody really sees it. If you look behind, I put a stunt wall behind the seat.
Oh, sure is, ain't it?
Yeah.
And it's fabricated good, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you put that together.
Oh, yeah.
You just throw it in there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.